Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download, install, and start running IDE, a short text editor. So as you can see, I'm already on their website here. So all you have to do is just come to their website, which is idom.io, and then this should open up. So just click on download here, this download button. The moment you click on this, the download will, or your file will start downloading. And now for me, I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to go to my computer and find it. So this is the IDE setup that I downloaded. So just right click on that and then open it or run it. So the moment this open up, just click on run. So as you can see, it's now opening up here. It's installing. As you can see, IDE is being installed. It will launch when it's done. So I'm just going to fast forward this video until it's done installing. So now IDE is done installing. As you can see, it's like opening up. Let me just enlarge this. As you can see, it's done installing. So when you are opening it up for the first time, it should be looking like this. So all this, you don't need all this, just close this. This is a welcoming. Don't need all this. Right, you got all this. So to open a new folder, maybe you can close this off as well, and if you want to enlarge it, you can make it like that. So to open a new file, just click on file there and then click on new file, and then that will open up a new file. So to save your file, and just go to file again and then save or save as. So you can save there, and then this should open up, so you can give it whatever. Let's just say index.html. You can save it wherever you want to save it. Let's save mine. I save most of my files, just maybe just for the sake of simplicity, let's just keep it on a desktop. So just save that, right, your file there, right, and then the moment you save, everything that is on a desktop has been added on. But if you want to add a new folder or a new project, you just click on file again and then add a project folder, right, and then this will open up. I say I have my project folder in here somewhere. You just find them, again open your tutorial folder and then select that, and then it's added on here. So you can minimize this, then you will see your tutorial folder, everything that is on my tutorial, it's added on there. Then these are the files you can click on and then open it, right, you got your file, some of your file there. So yeah, that's how you can add a new project or add a new folder to IDE. And yeah, that's all you really need to know. As long as you know how to open a new file or create a new file, save your file, and then add a project that you are sorted, you can just start writing your own code. So yeah, with that being said, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So yeah, that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.